Hello everyone, myself Vaishnavi Gharat, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. Today I am going to explain Python file input and output in short. So, first we see what is file. File handling is an important part of any web application. File have several functions to create, read, update and delete a file. A file is some information or a data which stay in the computer storage device. You already know about the different kind of files like music files, video files, text files. File give you easy way to manipulate the files. Generally we divide a file into two categories: text file and binary files. Binary files means what? They contain 0 and 1, and text files means your normal files. Next is opening and closing files. Opening files means what? We are simply just using open function. We are going to open your file. This can be done using the open function. This function returns the file object and takes two arguments, one that access the file and another that access the mode. Python have a close method to close the file. The close method can be called more than once, and uh, if only a operation is performed on a closed file in a rise of error. Opening file and closing file means, in short, for open our file we are using opening function, and for close our file we are using close function. And also if the error is occurs, then also we use the close function. Next is writing file. The write function method is used to write the data into the file. Using a write file, we can write whatever we want to write a code, we can write. For example, we are taken a small code. F equals to open bracket abc dot text comma w. So what we are doing, we taking a one file that name is abc dot text. Then s equals to, this is a Python program book, string complete, and second f dot write and f dot close. So we are what we doing in that, we are simply just opening one file. In that we are going to write, this is our Python file, Python programming book, and just close that file. Next is our reading file. The read operation is performed with the read method. The read method is read the data from a beginning of the file. It reads the data and returns the string object. For example, f equals to open, the file we are returning abc.text. Second line s equals to f dot read, and last line print s. Why we use print s? We are defining s equals to f dot read, means we are telling the programmer to read the file. So whatever data is stored in your file will be shown as a reading method. Next is type of file modes. There are type of file modes in read file mode and write file mode. So first we see read file mode. In read file mode there are four types: R, R plus, B, B plus. So first start with R. R means what? Open a file from a reading only. R plus means what? We can open a file for both reading and write. The file pointer placed at the beginning of the file. RB means what? We can open the binary file for reading. And RB plus means what? We are opening a file for both reading and writing for in a binary format. Next is write file. In that also there are four types modes: W, WB, W plus and WB plus. So opening a file from a writing only. W means what? We are going to only open the file for writing purpose only. However, the overwriting in that file will be executed. Next, W plus. W plus means what? We can write same as write R plus, both write and read, but overwriting execute the file in the file exit. If the file does not exit, the create a new file and read and write in that. WB means what? Opening a file from reading only in the binary format. WB plus means what? Open a file from both read and write in binary format. And last topic is dictionary. In that we are using some method for dictionaries variable value weights. So first is mkdir, means what? To make our dictionaries. Os dot get cwd means what? We are using our current directory where we are present. Next, os dot rename means what? We are going to rename our file or directories. Next is what? cddir means what? We are going to change our directory. Next, os dot mkdir means making our directory. Next, os dot rmdir means removing or deleting our directories. To check the whether is directory, we are using os dot path, and os means operating system. Thank you.